So if you are facing this export issues after editing using CapCut, then this is the easiest way to deal with it. And make sure you watch to the end, because if you miss a step, it might not work for you. First, click on Back to edit. Now highlight everything on the timeline and create a compound clip. Then go to the Video tab, then under the Basic tab, scroll down to Motion Blur. Then add a motion blur to your compound clip. Now use the slider of the blur feature and set it at 0. Now wait for a while for the motion blur effect to finish processing. Now minimize every window and locate CapCut desktop icon. Right-click on CapCut's desktop icon and go to Properties. After opening the Properties window, come and click on the Open File Location button right here. Now, this folder will open, so come and click on this arrow right here to go back to the previous folder. Now open the Users folder. Inside the Users folder, look for the Cache folder and open it. Then inside the Cache folder, look for the Motion Blur Cache folder and open it. And this is our video, so let's play it and see. Now, after finding the video, drag and drop it on CapCut's timeline. Then delete the main video from the timeline. Then drag the second clip to the main layer. And now you can export your video with no issues. So if this video was helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel for more amazing CapCut tutorial. See you in the next video.